Hello, I'm going to very quickly show you how to use the new snippet files. I'm going to start creating a new file. I'm going to say that this is an HTML file, and I'm just going to choose open. This file is going to be saved as my custom page. So let's actually save this as this time into my location, which I want to work with, which is going to be down into Program Files, down into Sage, down into CRM, and down into my working install of CRM, and then down where I would normally put my custom pages. So I'm going to call this page my opolist.asp page. I'm going to set this up using a snippet, and within here my HTML snippets, the CRM snippets that I have, that I'll just write out with the custom page outline. I confirm the name of the page and the include files that I want to use. Tab over to the next item that I want to use, and this I'll call opolist code.js. So that file is going to, that new file of opolist code is going to contain the code that will have the script that will actually create the output. The next thing that I need to do is to create another new file, and this time it'll be a web file of a JavaScript type. So I can choose that, and this file I'm going to save as, and I'll call this opolist code.js, and I can start to write out the contents of my file. So my JavaScript snippets, Sage CRM snippets, ASP pages I'm writing. You can see that you can use the snippets for also creation of some client-side code and mail manager scripts. And I use the include file structure there. And I can fill in the details of this file. So this is going to create a simple version of the opportunity list in the CRM context. That's the my CRM context. And so I can now use the other snippets to allow me to add in the code that I need to. So I can go into into my CRM snippets, into ASP pages, and inside here I can retrieve the block. And the block that I want to get hold of is opportunity lists. Add in, insert snippets, my CRM snippets again, my snippets within ASP pages, and I need to get context. It's the user context that I want to get. So that's the correct information there, and I'll build my argument string, choose my argument, and I confirm the field names that I want to use for the linking of the context with the underlying data. The last thing that I need to do is to insert my snippets that will allow me to output. I choose my code and I run down and I find my way of writing out to the web, generating the HTML for the block. So I put that out and confirm the details of the variables that I'm using, and that's it. So that's the page that I've written. I can save that, and now I can make reference to opolist inside CRM. So I can swing round and log on into CRM as a system administrator, go into customization area, advanced customization, change the system menu, and I change my system menu, the user menu, which is the my CRM context, and I can just call opolist here, which is the name of the file, and I also want to call that very clearly opolist.asp. and I add that here, choose save, and we should see now if I come into the main context, into the main menu, and then switch across to Oppo list. In here you can see there I have now listing out of the opportunities. And so all that has taken a very short period of time to use the snippets in order to create a simple list page.